In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw straight lines with the pen tool in Photoshop. The pen tool is one of the most precise ways to create clean, editable lines and shapes, and today we'll focus on straight segments. Start by selecting the pen tool from the toolbar, or simply press the P key on your keyboard. Once it's active, glance up at the options bar at the top. Here you'll choose how the pen tool behaves. If you select Path, you're creating a non-printing path that you can later stroke, turn into a selection, or use as a mask. It's great when you want flexibility or don't need a filled shape right away. If you select Shape, Photoshop will build a vector shape layer as you draw using the current fill and stroke settings. That's perfect if you already know you want a solid shape on its own layer. Pick the mode that fits your end goal before you begin. Now let's draw. With the pen tool set, click once on your canvas to place your first anchor point. This marks the start of your line. Move your cursor to where you want the next corner and click again. Photoshop connects these 2 points with a straight line segment. Notice that you don't need to drag for straight lines. A simple click is all it takes. Continue clicking around your subject or design to build a polygonal path, one segment at a time. Each click adds another corner, and the tool automatically draws a straight edge between the previous point and the new one. If accuracy matters, zoom in before placing points so you can aim precisely along edges. A small tip: holding Shift as you click can help constrain line angles to clean increments, which is useful for perfectly horizontal, vertical, or diagonal segments. If you place a point